Located in a quiet alley in the heart of Taipei City, the house has antique windowsills and charming street views, contributing to the charm of Old Taipei. Intrigued by the transformation of her friend's home, the client reached out to discuss the long-awaited renovation of her own family home. Approaching the project sensitively, the designer chose to retain exposed cement walls as well as uneven beams and columns, giving the house a distinct character. The strategic placement of these elements allows for the delineation of public spaces such as living rooms and kitchens from private areas such as workspaces and bedrooms. Preserving the character of an old home is paramount. Subtle touches, such as maintaining a small opening in the kitchen that connects to the nostalgic window grille from the outside, serve as a link to the past. Material choices are influenced by the client's existing furniture and collectibles. The original bricks on one side of the dining room column became a poignant reminder of the owner's history with the house. The extension of the old windowsill from the living room to the bedroom, repurposed for different functions, added layers of history to the renovated space. Tiles and furniture with green motifs passed down from the client's father infuse the house with stories from the past. A notable design element is the bedroom adjacent to the living room and workspace, dedicated to one of the daughters. With 2 doors and a cat door, this room emphasizes the emotional connection within the family.